Welcome to Clickbait Pays. This is a simple digital income model built around daily participation, campaign activity, and referral sharing. The concept is straightforward. Create your account, activate your campaign level, complete your daily clicks, and build cash flow through your own activity and direct referral rewards. Click into a new era of digital income, where everyday people can create extraordinary results, one click at a time. Clickbait Pays operates through a simple four-step process. First, you create your account using your sponsor's referral link. Next, you deposit and purchase an ad campaign at the level you choose. Then, you activate that level one time, which unlocks your ability to earn from daily clicking. Finally, once your earnings cycle completes, you can withdraw, repurchase another campaign, or continue scaling your activity. The model is designed to be simple enough for the average person to follow, while still allowing more serious users to build larger cash flow strategies over time. To get started, you'll use your sponsor's referral link. Once you open the site, click Join Now, confirm your sponsor username, and complete the registration process. After registration, log in and review your dashboard so you understand where deposits, campaign purchases, ad clicking, and earnings are located. One important note: each household can create up to 3 accounts, and each account must use its own unique email address. Once your account is created, the next step is funding. You'll go to the deposit section, choose your preferred crypto option, send funds, and wait for the account to be credited. From there, you select your preferred campaign level and purchase your ad campaign. Each account can have up to 3 active ad campaigns running at the same time, which is important for people who want to stagger campaigns and create more consistent weekly cash flow. After purchasing an ad campaign, you activate the campaign level. This activation fee is paid one time per level, not every time you buy another campaign at that same level. For example, if you activate level 7 once, that activation covers your level 7 earning ability for the campaigns you run at that level. Once activated, you go to the Click Ads section each day, view the required ads, and complete your daily clicks. Ads reset daily at midnight Panama time. As you complete your daily clicks, earnings are generated into your earned wallet. Those earnings are held for the required holding period before they can be released. After release, you can choose your next move. You can withdraw earnings, repurchase another ad campaign, or scale into additional campaigns. The main strategy many users consider is staggering campaigns 1 week apart, so that after the initial setup period, campaigns begin completing on a more consistent weekly rhythm. Here's a simple Level 1 example to understand the basic mechanics. At Level 1, the ad campaign is 13 USDT, with a one-time activation fee of 1 USDT. You click 3 ads per day, and the campaign completes after 12 click days. At completion, the user earnings shown are 17.17 USDT. The same structure applies across the higher levels. The campaign size, activation fee, daily clicks, and earnings simply increase as the level increases. As you move through levels 2 through 7, the financial picture becomes larger. Each level has a different campaign cost, activation fee, number of daily clicks, and total earnings potential. Level 2 is a smaller starting point, while Level 7 is the highest campaign level shown here. The key thing to understand is that the activation fee is one time for that level, while the campaign cost applies each time you purchase a new ad campaign. So the first campaign at a level has a higher total out-of-pocket cost because activation is included. After that, future campaigns at the same level only require the campaign purchase amount. Clickbait Pays also includes a direct referral reward. When someone personally enrolls through your referral link, purchases and activates an ad campaign, completes their daily clicks, and reaches campaign completion, you can earn 10% of their campaign completion value. For example, if a personally enrolled member completes a Level 2 campaign, the direct reward is 11.30 USDT. At Level 4, that direct reward is 43.20 USDT. At Level 7, the direct reward is 360 USDT. This is why sharing the opportunity can matter. Your own campaign activity creates one layer of earning potential, while personally enrolled referrals can add another layer of cash flow. That's the simple Clickbait Pays overview. Create your account, choose your level, activate and click daily, then decide whether to withdraw, repurchase, or scale. To get started, grab your sponsor's referral link and follow the setup process. Thank you for exploring Clickbait Pays. Click into a new era of digital income. As with any online earning opportunity, results may vary based on participation level, campaign selection, timing, platform rules, and user activity. Review the official materials, understand the process, and only participate at a level that makes sense for you.
So let's talk about something many people hear about in crypto, but very few actually understand properly: arbitrage. And honestly, once you understand it, you begin to see how some people make money in crypto without sitting around praying for Bitcoin to pump. Imagine this. One exchange is selling Bitcoin for $100,000. Another exchange is buying it for $100,500. That $500 difference is an opportunity. A trader can buy from the cheaper exchange and immediately sell on the more expensive one. That process is called arbitrage. Now, another important word here is spread. The spread is simply the profit gap between the buying price and the selling price. So if you buy at $100 and sell at $102, the spread is $2. Simple. Now imagine repeating that process across multiple exchanges using automation, APIs, and high-speed trading systems. That's basically the concept behind One Trade. One Trade focuses on crypto arbitrage, using liquidity from multiple exchanges and automated trading systems. One Trade also claim that transactions can be verified publicly through blockchain TXIDs, meaning users can supposedly track activity directly on-chain. And honestly, that's one thing that grabs attention. Transparency. Because crypto investors are tired of hearing "trust me bro" promises. One Trade tries to present itself as a transparent arbitrage ecosystem where trades, spreads, and transaction activity can be monitored publicly. Another thing they emphasize heavily is API trading. Now, APIs simply allow exchanges and trading systems to communicate automatically. Instead of humans manually clicking buy and sell buttons every second, software handles the process much faster. And in arbitrage, speed matters. A profitable spread can disappear in seconds, so automation becomes a major advantage. The company also says their model is not dependent on market volatility. In simple terms, they are saying they are not gambling on whether Bitcoin goes up or crashes tomorrow. Instead, they try to profit from price differences between exchanges. That's very different from normal speculative trading. Liquidity aggregation. Now that sounds complicated, but the idea is actually simple. Different exchanges have different prices, buyers, sellers, and trading volume. One Trade claims they pull liquidity from major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, OKX, and others. So instead of relying on one exchange, they supposedly scan multiple markets at once to find the best opportunities. Market depth. Market depth basically means how much buying and selling activity exists in a market. A deeper market usually allows larger trades to happen without heavily affecting the price. Now, obviously, the part most people care about is profit. Spreads can generate over 1% daily, depending on market demand and conditions. And this is where people should remain realistic and think carefully, because high returns always attract attention. The platform explains that even small spreads, like 0.25%, can become significant when repeated many times through automation, which is mathematically true. Small profits repeated consistently can compound aggressively over time. One Trade also talks about smart contracts, automatic withdrawals, licensing, security systems, and partnership rewards. Because crypto is full of opportunity, but it is also full of marketing. Still, the concept of arbitrage itself is very real. Banks do it, institutions do it, professional traders do it every day. The real question is always about execution, transparency, sustainability, and risk management. But now at least, you understand what arbitrage and spread means, and you understand the basic idea behind what One Trade is presenting. Thank you for watching.
Introducing Polar Tensor, a next-generation AI-driven algorithmic trading system built to last. Before we continue, it's important to acknowledge that cryptocurrency markets involve significant risk and are not suitable for everyone. Digital asset values are highly volatile and can fluctuate rapidly. There is no guarantee of profit, and losses are possible. Participation requires independent research and personal responsibility. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now let's get back to Polar Tensor. Our founder and CEO, Mr. Felix Bick, was born and raised in Hamburg, Germany, where he began his career in private banking. Early exposure to global finance and capital markets built the foundation for his deep understanding of financial systems and strategic investment structures. Over 2 decades ago, Felix relocated to Hong Kong to join Li & Fung, one of the largest supply chain management companies in the world. There, he leveraged machine learning and artificial intelligence to optimize end-to-end logistics operations while connecting thousands of suppliers around the world. This experience in large-scale data analysis and pattern recognition ultimately led to the development of Polar One, a proprietary AI-driven algorithmic trading system designed to navigate digital asset markets with precision and intelligence. As the founder of Polar Corporation, Mr. Bick's vision is to build a comprehensive financial ecosystem, serving customers globally and operating within one unified network. His mission is to position Polar as a major market leader, delivering innovation, transparency, and intelligent financial solutions. Polar Corporation stands on 3 core pillars: Polar Tensor, our flagship AI-driven trading system; Polar Money, our digital banking bridge between fiat and crypto; and Polar Research, our innovation engine focused on advanced algorithmic development and machine learning. Together, these 3 pillars form a unified ecosystem built for scalability, efficiency, and sustainability. Polar Corporation is strategically structured for global growth, with corporate registrations in multiple jurisdictions. This framework supports regulatory alignment, operational durability, and long-term expansion. Transparency remains a core priority. By engaging KPMG, one of the world's leading independent audit firms, Polar Tensor reinforces its commitment to governance, accountability, and operational integrity. Now let's introduce Polar One. Polar One is a neural network algorithmic trading software powered by advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning. It executes high-frequency trades with institutional-grade precision across global crypto markets. Development began in 2018, leading to the Polar One software officially launching in 2020 and operated successfully until 2022. At this time, over the following 18 months, the software was refined and enhanced for greater stability and performance. In April of 2024, Polar One was officially relaunched and deployed on Binance, the largest and most secure crypto exchange in the world. Polar One integrates directly with Binance, enabling real-time trade execution, AI-powered market analysis, and institutional-grade performance. Today, the software continues to deliver stable and consistent results, and we are proud to announce that Polar One is officially available to users worldwide. Let's take a closer look at how it works.
Hello, and welcome to a deeper dive into our Polar One AI. We've been developing cutting-edge trading algorithms since 2018 and had our first major success in 2020 with AI-powered models. After that, our software ran successfully until the FTX collapse in 2022. We used the time after that to improve our software for over 1.5 years, and it's been running on Binance since April 2024. Let's take a look at all of this. First, we'll start with our Polar One AI. Here, on the dashboard, we can see the account balance, the P&L of today, the average weekly profit, and the performance metrics. Our software trades Monday to Friday, so since today is Saturday, the P&L for today is 0 USDT as no trades have been executed. Further down, we have various visualizations of the statistics, including capital growth, which we'll revisit in a bit. The trading pair's performance shows how frequently each trading pair is traded and how much profit it has accumulated. Now, let's head over to the Binance Assets overview. Here, we can see the same amount of USDT in both our software and Binance. The balance on Binance is higher because we have BNB on the account for VIP status, which gives us the lowest possible fees. The software only reflects USDT and the percentage earned on it. In the chart, we can see how the account balance has changed over time. This is shown both on Binance and in our software. Next, let's look at the P&L analysis. Here, we can check how the account performed over the last 7 days and 30 days. You may notice that the numbers aren't exactly the same as in the software. That's because of the BNB in the account, which is used for VIP status. Since the BNB price fluctuates, it's also factored into the P&L, which is why the numbers differ in the software. Let's now take a look at the order history. Since we don't use leverage, the software only trades on spot. Spot orders are buy or sell orders at the current market price with immediate delivery. Here, we can see various orders along with their details. If we check the order history in the software, we can see the same orders as in Binance. In the trade history, you can get a much clearer idea of how many trades the software executes. Over the last 6 months, there have been more than 250,000 pages of trades. Let's take a deeper look at how the decision for each trade is made. If we click on a trade, we can see 100 experts. These are 100 independent AI models, each trained on different data. The software now receives the price data for this pair, in this case for Solana through the Binance API. Each of these models analyzes the data and provides a value between -1 and +1. -1 means the model concludes a strong sell, and +1 means a strong buy. For this trade, we can see that 87 out of 100 models were included. The ones excluded are considered outliers, or models that are excessively strong in one direction. At the agreement stage, we can see the results: 47 buys, 17 holds, and 23 sells, leading to a median of 0.236. The threshold for holding is between -0.150 and +0.150. Since the median of 0.236 is above 0.150, it results in a buy. Now, let's look at another trade, this time with Bitcoin. We can see that 95 models were included, with a median of 0.187, which again leads to a buy. Finally, here's another buy for Ethereum. All of these decisions are made in milliseconds. Thanks for your attention, and we hope you enjoyed this deeper look into our Polar One AI.
Accessing Polar One is streamlined and fully automated. After enrollment, users only need a minimum of 100 USDT to activate the software. A one-time 10% license fee applies to each deposit. The 10% license fee activates the software, while 90% of each deposit is allocated directly to the user's account balance for trading. Polar Tensor applies a performance fee based on account tiers. This fee begins at 50% on the starter tier and decreases progressively to as low as just 20% at the top tier. Trading activity occurs 5 days per week, Monday through Friday, from 8 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. UTC time, and profit distributions are issued each and every Friday. It's important to note that there's no capital lock period. Users may withdraw their trading balance in full or in part at any time. Early withdrawals are only subject to a 10% early withdrawal fee within the first 12 months, only 5% after 12 months, and there is no fee at all after 24 months. Weekly distributed earnings and referral rewards may be withdrawn once every 24 hours, with no percentage-based withdrawal fee. Only a flat 2 USDT transaction fee applies on all withdrawals. Polar Tensor accepts deposits in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDT, USDC, or Visa or MasterCard. Withdrawals are available in USDT and USDC using supported networks, or you can receive your withdrawals directly onto your Polar Money Visa card. Moving on to the final pillar of Polar Corporation is Polar Money. Experience seamless banking with multi-currency accounts, instant transfers, and integrated crypto services. With a dedicated bank account, you have a personal IBAN, direct deposit availability, and global transfers to send money worldwide with ease. It's easy to manage your crypto portfolio with over 50+ digital assets and major cryptocurrencies, DeFi tokens, and staking rewards. Polar Money is a unified finance hub, merging your traditional finance with the crypto revolution in one sleek interface. The Polar Money Visa card allows you to spend your crypto anywhere, with seamless conversion and worldwide acceptance. Bridge the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency with Polar Money. Users can access Polar Tensor and Polar Money through the web or via the mobile app, available in the Google Play and the Apple App Stores. The power of Polar One is always in the palm of your hand. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief overview. We look forward to seeing you at one of our live online events soon. Be sure to reconnect with the person who invited you to watch this presentation, get your questions answered, and explore your next steps. We're excited to welcome you to the Polar Tensor community.